Hello everyone, let's make tandoori paneer chili gravy today. For that you will need a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil. Here I have added oil and then 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. The masala is ready. Add paneer cubes to it. Here I have taken 500 grams of paneer. You have to mix it well till the time masala is coated. Okay, now take a skewer. Arrange the paneer cubes the way I have shown here. Then keep a tawa ready. Place the paneer cubes on the tawa and roast them well till they change the color. Once they are ready, keep them aside. Heat a pan. Then add chopped garlic in it. Add ginger, chili and onion. Saute it for 5 minutes. And then add the fresh vegetables. Here I have used bell peppers and mushroom. Saute it well. Then add Ching Szechuan chutney and 1 teaspoon of ketchup. Again give it a mix. Add fresh broccoli to it. Here I have not parboiled it, so I have used it so that the recipe gets a crunch. Then add some salt. Please check the saltiness of the dish. Also add pepper. Mix it well. Then add 1 glass of water. Bring it to a boil. Add half a glass of water more. The water should be hot here. Now add soy sauce. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You can skip it if you don't want it. Then add corn flour mixture. The thickness of the gravy will depend on the corn flour you've used. Here I added paneer cubes. Bring it to a boil and serve. Thank you.